Welcome to Quest 15 Opalescent. Let's explore the features and tonality this set has to offer. Opalescent is a fun and playful preset collection that is all about bright pastels and faded tones. Inspired by the iconic color palette of fashion and pop culture in the 1960s, this set bridges that nostalgic vibe with a modern reimagining. Included are 3 unique preset variations along with 3 tools. Use these to help further customize your look, whether diffusive, retro, or just to help your image pop. AQ15-1 gives you quartz pinks and mint greens with an overall shift towards magenta, bold in color, subtly dynamic. AQ15-2 provides aqua blues paired with aloe greens and an overall warmer appearance, bright and vibrant. AQ15-3 offers sunflower yellows and golden browns with a strong push in color throughout the spectrum. And also be sure to use the Opalescent profile. Increase this slider for a faded vintage color forward look.